The oath-taking of two newly appointed judges of Tripura High Court was held on Thursday. The two newly appointed judges are Sabyasachi Datta Purkayastha and Biswajit Palit. Chief Justice of the High Court Aparesh Kumar Singh read out their oath. Tripura High Court Justice Sabyasachi Datta Purkayastha and Biswajit Palit takes an oath on Thursday through a program. The swearing-in ceremony was held at Court Number 2 of the High Court. Chief Justice of the High Court Aparesh Kumar Singh read out their oath. On this day, Sabyasachi Datta Purkayastha took an oath as Justice and Biswajit Palit as Additional Justice. Justice Arindam Lord, Justice T. Amarnath Gaur, Advocate General Siddharth Shankar Dev, and other lawyers and High Court officials were present at the oath-taking ceremony.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
That I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment.
That I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment.
Perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
Perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
And that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
And that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Sabyasachi Datta Purkayastha has been serving as the director of the Judicial Academy of the state for a long time. On the other hand, Biswajit Palit served as law secretary. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.
গত বছরের ন্যায় দুর্গোৎসবের সমাপনে আগরতলার প্যারাডাইস চমুনি স্থিত সিটি সেন্টারের সম্মুখে আগামী ২৬ অক্টোবর বিকেল ৫টায় মায়ের গমন অনুষ্ঠানের সূচনা হবে। এই কার্নিভালের উদ্বোধক ও প্রধান অতিথি হিসেবে উপস্থিত থাকবেন রাজ্যের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী প্রফেসর ডাক্তার মানিক সাহা। এই অনুষ্ঠানে আপনাদের সকলের সাদর আমন্ত্রণ। তথ্য ও সংস্কৃতি দপ্তর কর্তৃক প্রচারিত।